10 tips for writing clean code for seniority. Number 1. Use descriptive names, here is the example. Number 2. Use empty lines to create a readable code, this is the example. Number 3. Do not send more than 3 parameters into a function. Number 4. Remember the functions must do only one thing, this is the example. Number 5. Functions must be small, this is the example. Number 6. Reduce the number of characters in a line, this is the example. Number 7. Avoid using comments, this is the examples. Number 8. Create a descriptive message when you create a commit, follow the example. Number 9. Use unit test and practice test-driven development, you can follow the example. Number 10. Learn design patterns. Uses of design patterns. Design patterns can speed up the development process by providing tested, proven development paradigms. Effective software design requires considering issues that may not become visible until later in the implementation. Reusing design patterns helps to prevent subtle issues that can cause major problems and improves code readability for coders and architects familiar with the patterns.